Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways to fix Discord when it's stuck on starting. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see right now, I am using a desktop PC with Windows. So let's dive right in. First, to do this, go to the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and right-click it, and then click Run. And now, type in %appdata% and hit Enter. This will open the AppData folder. From here, and now click to the again AppData. Then select Local, and then select Discord, and the select number 1 file app, and click on it, and then right-click of the Discord.x, and select the Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply to save the changes. And there you have it. Those are the methods to fix Discord when it's stuck on starting. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.